sunny morning muffins. All right, first things first, we're gonna do 1.5 cups of our flour. Then I'm gonna put in 1/2 teaspoon of my baking soda. There it is. Don't hide from me. Yeah, these are great. You're gonna find yourself taking these to work for a little side snack. 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, pinch or a hint of our cinnamon. That goes in there, and a little pinch of our salt, about 1 teaspoon, but you can eyeball that. All right, so that's our dry ingredients. Next up, the wet ingredients. The moisture that's gonna be so great in our muffins. I'm gonna take just 1 ripe banana. Just go ahead and take the peel off. We're gonna mash it right in. Get it as mashed as possible. There we go, not too bad. We got the eggs. They're gonna go in next. All right, got the 2 eggs that we went in. And then we're gonna do about, the cup of our strawberries. Wait a minute, not in the dry, in the wet. That looks good. All right, up next, we're gonna combine the 2. So let me get a spoon, and I'm gonna mix up my wet, make sure my banana gets in there. Break up the yolk of our egg. All right, there we go. All right, now that's all mixed. What I wanna do is sweeten this up just a bit. All right, so let me get my sugar. All right, get a cup of that. Because you know the strawberries are sweet. You know the bananas are sweet, but we want the entire muffin to be sweet. All right, so 1 cup of sugar goes in. And then we're gonna get 1/4 cup of our cooking oil, canola oil, just an oil that's not gonna add any flavor. It smells good. And then we're gonna get the zest of our lemon. There we go. All right, zest of 1 lemon in, smells good. All right, mix that up. Then what I'm gonna do is just add the dry into the wet, and I'm not gonna stir it a lot, just maybe 15 strokes or so, just to get it incorporated. And it's totally okay if you see a little bit of flour still left in the batter once you blend it. The heat of the oven is gonna make everything moist. All right, so to that, we want to add our walnuts. Now notice I didn't overmix. And we want to add some blueberries. If anything, this is a beautiful muffin. You know it is. All right, give that a quick turn. And we're ready to throw these into our muffin tins. Sunny morning muffins going in. You know I'm getting out my sunny morning muffins. Look at these beautiful muffins. Perfect for the park and great for lunch. Look at that. Nice and moist.